Hi guys, it's your friend Ballistic Bee, and today we are unboxing the Holy Stone HS720 drone. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing and take a look. Wow, one of the first things that you're immediately met with is the case that it said it was included inside of is actually a hard case. It's not soft, extremely well built, molded, hard case. It's actually smooth, and look at the handle that it comes with. I've seen pieces of luggage that you can buy for travel that are less well made than this case. Let's hope the contents are equally as impressive. A little bit of effort to protect it with a little bit of foam. Specifically made for the transmitter. I'm going to assume the batteries and, of course, the drone itself. Screwdriver. The extra rotors, 4 of them. Now there's only one battery here. Handle that with care, and let's go ahead and pop this out really gently. Obviously, on small drones like this, the rotors are a little delicate, so trying to handle this with care. As you can see, there is a battery that's included with it, so we do have 2. Lighting, and what look like lights on the arms as well. A little bit of spring-loaded action coming from the arms to help it stay folded up. You can see that nice camera for everything, including the receiver. All that's left is most likely our instruction manual. And then possibly a couple other items, including connection cable. Little USB connection cable and charger connection cable. So everything that we need to get started. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like, but more importantly, subscribe. And check out our next video where we'll be doing a rapid review of all the pros and cons of the drone. All right, guys, I'm out. Be safe, be fun, and believe.